Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video, I'm gonna walk you through uh, Korean Visa Navigator. That's gonna tell you which visa you need for uh, traveling to South Korea based on your purpose. So before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please subscribe right now. And also, I would like to clarify, neither I am an immigration consultant nor I'm a government body. So if you take anything out of this video, you do it at your own risk. So guys, in front of you, I have opened this Korea Visa portal and they have this Visa Navigator. Here you need to start this based on your situation. So continent, let's say you are coming from Asia, select your country, whatever is applicable in your case, purpose of entry, why you want to go there. Let's say you want to go for family visit or anything, you can do this. Length of stay. So you got the types that you need. And you can also types of visa that you can apply based on your situation. Also, you can change the answers here. Let's say if I select short-term visa, 90-day or less. Now you need to read it further and conditions also, like transit visas, in which condition you don't need. Okay, all this information is available here that you can select if you want to go there for intra-company transfer. So from here, you can click on the result and proceed. So thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.